The Standard & Poor's 500, or simply the S&P 500, is a stock market index tracking the performance of 500 large companies listed on stock exchanges in the United States. It is one of the most commonly followed equity indices. As of December 31, 2020, more than $5.4 trillion was invested in assets tied to the performance of the index. The S&P 500 index is a free-float weighted, capitalization-weighted index. As of September 30, 2021, the 9 largest companies on the list of S&P 500 companies accounted for 28.1% of the market capitalization of the index and were, in order of weighting, Apple, Microsoft, Alphabet, including both Class A and C shares, Amazon.com, Meta Platforms, Tesla, Nvidia, Berkshire Hathaway and JP Morgan Chase. The components that have increased their dividends in 25 consecutive years are known as the S&P 500 Dividend Aristocrats. In 2017, companies in the index derived on average 72% of their revenue in the United States. The index is one of the factors in computation of the Conference Board Leading Economic Index, used to forecast the direction of the economy. The index is associated with many ticker symbols, including $GSPC, INX, and $SPX, depending on market or website. 11. The S&P 500 is maintained by S&P Dow Jones Indices, a joint venture majority owned by S&P Global, and its components are selected by a committee. Mutual and exchange-traded funds index funds, including mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, can replicate, before fees and expenses, the performance of the index by holding the same stocks as the index in the same proportions. ETFs that replicate the performance of the index are issued by the Vanguard Group, NYSE ACA, VU, iShares, NYSE ACA, IVV, and State Street Corporation, NYSE ACA, SPY, and the most liquid based on average daily volume is currently, NYSE ACA, SPY. Although SPY has a slightly higher expense ratio of 0.09% compared to just 0.03% for VU and IVV. Mutual funds that track the index are offered by Fidelity Investments, T. Rowe Price, and Charles Schwab Corporation. Direxion offers leveraged ETFs that attempt to produce 3 times the daily result of either investing in NYSE ACA, SPXL, or shorting NYSE ACA, SPXS, the S&P 500 index.